Hare Krishna devotees. So in this tutorial video, we are going to learn a very beautiful tal, okay, which is called as Roopak Taal. Okay, and this tal comes under the category of 2-bit kartal, or we call it as 2-bit generally. Okay, it is a little bit of garba style, like we hear in garba, right? That kind of tune it is there. So it is called as Roopak Taal. Where generally it is used, I will tell you examples of few kirtan. वृंदावन रम्यस्थान दिव्यचिन्तामणिधाम रत्नमन्दिरमानहार. So bowls I will tell. First I will show you how it sounds in kirtan. वृंदावन रम्यस्थान दिव्यचिन्तामणिधाम रत्नमन्दिरमानहार. Very beautiful, right? So the bowls are घेतेति घेता घेता, खेतेति खेता खेता. Now you remember our bhajani tal which we learned. So we will divide it into two parts. Gheteti gheta gheta, where the upper portion of the bigger side is dominant. Gheteti gheta gheta, kheteti kheta kheta. Now you learned first gheteti gheta gheta. How many matras? Gheteti gheta gheta. 7. Then kheteti kheta kheta. So what is ghe? Ghe is 3 finger closed, okay, plus big side open. That is ghe. Remember, ghe, 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 ghe. And te and ti are same and similar and easy also. 1 finger out. What is 1 out? Okay, so what is that? Gheteti you play. Gheteti, 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 gheteti. Again ghe. 3 finger close plus big side open. So gheteti ghe, gheteti ghe, gheteti ghe. Then ta. Again 1 finger out. Ta, ta, ta. Again ghe. So ghe, te, ti, ghe, ta, ghe, ta, 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 ghe, te, ti, ghe, ta, ghe, ta. Ghete ti gheta gheta ghete ti gheta gheta ghete ti gheta gheta. Easy, right? Now instead of ghe you have to play khe. Just add closed. Khe. Khe means big side close plus 3 finger close. So khe, 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 khe. Te and ti are same as the previous. 1 finger out. Te, ti. So khe, khe, te, ti, khe, te, ti. Again kheta, 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 kheta. So khe, te, ti, kheta, kheta, 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 khe, te, ti, kheta, kheta. Got it? So see, just combine both of them. Very, very easy, right? Ghe, te, ti, gheta, gheta, khe, te, ti, kheta, kheta, ghe, te, ti, gheta, gheta, khe, te, ti, kheta, kheta, ghe, te, ti, gheta, gheta, khe, te, ti, kheta, kheta. Easy? Now let's try to play together. Ghete ti gheta gheta khete detailed tutorial video how to apply in Kirtan I will show in the next tutorial video. Let's try to play it properly together. You practice along with me, okay? Just try to see my hand movements and घेते ती घेता घेता घेते ती घेता घेता घेते ती घेता घेता घेते ती घेता घेता घेते ती घेता. वृंदावन रमस्थान दिव्य चिंतामणिका रत्न मंदिर मनोहार. घेते ती घेता घेता घेते ती घेता घेता घेते ती घेता घेता घेते ती घेते ती घेता घेता घेते ती घेते ती घेता घेता घेते ती घेता घेते ती घेता घेता घेते ती घेता घेता. I was playing a little fast. It's very easy also. Just try to practice it slowly first. घेते ती घेता घेता खेते ती खेता खेता. Okay. How to apply in Kirtan we will make a detailed video and see. First please practice this. Okay. Hare Krishna.